whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as considerate victors or losers with grace and determined will to win. To all these ideals, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God.
Okay, thank you. EI and Brian Paradero. Okay guys, since natapos na kayo nag-vote, para maganda yung tournament natin, honest lang ang ano natin. Kasi doon nagtatalo ang player, pag isa doon sa player ay hindi honest. Yun. Lalo na, touch mo, hindi ko nahipo eh. Nahipo mo, doon nagtatalo na. Nalapag na. Hindi pa sumayad eh. Para walang magtatalo, implement natin na we are honest player. Then before you move, think muna para walang illegal moves na mangyayari.